In this video, we will go over how to manage your payment settings. Begin by using the left side menu and go to Settings and then Payment Settings. Here we can change the currency, as well as set up an automatic tax. We can save our selections using the Save button. And we may also change the receipt settings, enabling or disabling the automatic receipt or adding a receipt note to all of the invoices. We can then save our selection. Let's move on to the payment setup. Clicking the Sign Up Now button will take you to a different page where you can then enter your information to begin. Please keep in mind you will be contacted by our CardPoint representative. They will ask you a series of questions regarding your banking and financial information to confirm that your business is legitimate. After successfully submitting your YoCalPay application and submitting your merchant ID to support@yocal.com for activation, the account online payment should be set to active on the top left corner, and you will be able to make options on the payment setup page. We will first enable online payment using the switch, then select a payment option for the account. Over here we've done a deposit, and then select either an amount or a percentage for the client to pay. You can then also add a tip option if you'd like. We can then save our selection using the top right corner button. Now you know how to manage your payment settings. This includes signing up for your YoCalPay account and activating your payment setup page. Please contact us at support@yocal.com or use the chat symbol for more help.